Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by making sure your iPhone is up to date and signed into your Apple ID. This allows Wallet to work securely. Once done, open Wallet and tap the plus button to add a card. Use the camera to capture card numbers or type them in if needed, then follow the bank's verification step, often an SMS code or quick in-bank app approval. Make sure your billing address matches your bank's records so verification succeeds. Next, configure how you'll use Wallet day to day and why those settings matter. Go to Settings, Wallet, and Apple Pay to choose a default card for quick payments and to enable express transit for faster boarding without authentication. Add boarding passes or tickets by tapping them in Mail or apps, and make sure Face ID or Touch ID is enabled for secure payments. Also check merchant prompts so your phone behaves predictably at terminals and in apps. Finish by practicing payments and learning basic troubleshooting. To pay in store, double-click the side button, authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID, and hold the top of your iPhone near the contactless reader. You'll see Done and a check mark. Manage cards in Wallet to remove or update info and view recent transactions. If a card won't add or pay, restart the phone, install iOS updates, ensure region settings match your bank, and call your issuer if verification still fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.